Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into numeric and logical operators. These operators might sound fancy, but trust me, they're super easy to use and incredibly powerful. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about numeric operators. These are your basic math tools: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Want to add a fixed value or combine fields? Just use the plus operator. Need to subtract one value from another? Easy. Use the minus operator. Multiply, divide, and more. It's all in here. And if you need to control order of operations, just wrap parts of your formula in parentheses. But that's not all. You can also format the output to be displayed as a decimal, currency, percent, or even as a rating. This adds an extra layer of flexibility to how your results are presented. Now let's move on to logical operators. These are your go-to tools for comparing values. Need to check if one field is greater than the other? Use the greater than operator. Want to know if two fields are equal? Go with double equals. These operators let you create powerful conditional logic that can transform how you analyze your data. And here's the best part: combine numeric and logical operators to create complex conditions. For example, you can check if the total price after discount is greater than a certain amount, helping you easily identify and highlight specific records that meet your criteria. That's a wrap on numeric and logical operators. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.